What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be changing out our exhaust. We're going to be making a trip out to Riverside to Topete Mufflers because the current setup that we have, it's pretty loud, but there's a lot of drone inside the cab. Like I showed you in the other vlog, I don't know what you call those, the tips, the down tips, the down pipe or whatever is right under the cab. That's why you hear everything, and it sucks for those long road trips. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the trip out there, change it. I'm probably gonna go with like a Carven R exhaust or something like that, and have the tips come out all the way in the back. That way it's loud outside of the cab but not inside. So I'm gonna show you guys a quick clip of how it sounds right now, and then I'll show you how it sounds after. Alright, we just got here to Riverside off Tyler. I'm gonna show you guys right now how it sounds inside the cab whenever you're driving. You can't even have a conversation or anything because it's really loud. So hopefully with the exhaust coming out a little further back, we're gonna eliminate that problem. okay, man. All right, so here's the difference. When I'm riding on the freeway, I can actually have a conversation now because the drone is like not even there at all. Especially at highway speeds, you don't even hear it. The loudest thing now are these mud tires. You can hear them pretty loud, but that's expected with mud tires. But at least the exhaust is not droning in the inside of this cab. Sounds a lot better. And then you can hear it when you actually step on it. And even then, like it's a nice clean sound. I still don't know what exhaust. I had it before, but shout out to the guys at Topete Mufflers. I mean, they helped me out, and they said it's because it has the dumps right under the cab, just like I thought. That's the reason why it's so loud inside the cab. But man, shout out to those guys. They finished everything in like less than like 10 minutes. They hooked it up and did a clean job, so I highly recommend them. I'm gonna leave their Instagram down below if you guys want to check them out. They do a real clean job. They had their Black Friday sale, so like I said, they gave me a good price. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Make sure to follow me on Instagram so you guys get the inside scoop of the builds. Support the channel by copying your decal, and make sure to share this video with all your friends. We're about to reach 6,000 subscribers, so I'm gonna be doing another giveaway. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for the next time.
Never met a limitation. Hate applying my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding niggas out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably $sign. Got the energy to win it, my nigga. I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my